This is a perforated tape. It's a bit weaker because it's got more holes in it. One of the advantages of perforated tape is when you actually glue it down, you don't have to necessarily damp it to take it back off. You can just sand all the way through it. Because there's less tape and more holes, there's less sanding for doing that. Best thing to do is to pull it through a dampened pad rather than you have to actually lick it yourself. And just pull those veneers together. As the tape dries, it also has a slight effect of pulling the veneers together because the tape is shrinking as it dries as well. Once I've put my stitching tapes across, I'm going to use a longer tape then to go all the way across and down the joint. Also, one of the advantages of this tape is you can physically see through to see your joint line and make sure it's good. If it's open, you know you've got a problem before you stick it in the veneer press. For more detailed information on our veneer tapes and our glues, look at our website, woodworkersworkshop.co.uk, and check us out on our social media channels.